How's it going? My name is Robert Case. I currently live in Portland, Oregon, and I'm here to answer the question, what does fitness mean to me? Well, fitness to me is more than just a workout. It's more than just that run in the morning or pushing a little extra weight than you thought. It's about optimizing your day. It's about getting absolutely the most out of every single second. And I do that by getting a great workout in the morning, and then everything else just seems to be a little bit easier throughout the day. Other than that, people want to just feel their best. They want to get the most out of their family, their day-to-day activities, and they just want to feel good. And that's what working out's all about to me. And I want to spread that joy to every single person that I come in contact with. I really believe that there's so many components of fitness that we have to take seriously, which is, everything from yoga and stretching to running to lifting weights. There's a whole package approach to fitness, and I believe in taking every single component of that into account. Beyond that, where would I be filming this at? It's the Columbia River Gorge area near Portland, Oregon, which is absolutely stunning during the summertime, and I would look forward to getting some footage out there. So thank you for your time. I appreciate it.